How to calculate the combined power of two vectors. In simple terms, vectors are quantities that have size, how strong, and direction, which way. When two vectors work together, we find their combined power by calculating the resultant vector. Case 1. Vectors in the same direction. If both vectors point in the same direction, simply add their sizes. Example. Vector A equals 4 units. Vector B equals 6 units. Combined power equals 4 plus 6 equals 10 units. Case 2. Vectors in opposite directions. If the vectors point in opposite directions, subtract the smaller from the larger. Example. Vector A equals 8 units. Vector B equals 3 units. Combined power equals 8 minus 3 equals 5 units. The direction is that of the bigger vector. Case 3. Vectors at right angles, 90 degrees. If the vectors are at right angles, like an L shape, use Pythagoras theorem. Step by step. Square each vector. Add the squares. Take the square root. Formula. Combined power equals A2 plus B2. Text. Combined power equals SQRT, A squared plus B squared. Combined power equals A2 plus B2. Example. Vector A equals 3 units. Vector B equals 4 units. 32 plus 42 equals 9 plus 16 equals 25 equals 5 units. SQRT. 3 squared plus 4 squared equals SQRT. 9 plus 16 equals SQRT. 25 equals 5. Text. Units. 32 plus 42 equals 9 plus 16 equals 25 equals 5 units. Key things to remember. Same direction right pointing arrow add. Opposite direction right pointing arrow subtract. Right angle right pointing arrow use Pythagoras. The result is called the resultant vector. Simple real-life example. If you push a box forward and a friend pushes it sideways, the box moves in a new direction. That new movement is the combined power of both pushes. Final thought. You do not need advanced formulas to understand vectors. With addition, subtraction, and Pythagoras, you can solve most basic vector problems confidently. Source: D. Ample Basic Mathematics.